This episode is brought to you by the new 2026 Hummingbird Spot Desk Calendar, featuring photographs chosen by our Hummingbird Spot community. Grab yours below. Welcome to Mexico. This is our first time on mainland Mexico looking for the endemic hummingbirds of this country, and this is really exciting. Hi, Jorge.
Hello, lady.
Amy.
Carol, very nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you. And these guys are going to find these birds for us, right?
We will try.
Breakfast. We just pulled by the side of the road, and there's a Mexican Sheartail right in that tree. We got to get out the camera equipment and get pictures of this guy. There's a Mexican Sheartail up here in this tree that's sitting here for a long time, preening and stretching. The Mexican Sheartail hummingbird is endemic to Mexico and is mostly found on the northern coastal edge of the Yucatan Peninsula. Another smaller population is in the center of Veracruz, and that is where we found our beautiful hummingbirds. Both populations are in decline, the Veracruz ones from agriculture and the coastal population from development for tourism. These hummingbirds are tiny and have long, curved bills. The male is bronzy green above and whitish tinged with tan below. His gorget is a brilliant purplish pink. His fabulous tail is deeply forked, and our male loved to spread his so we could see the details. Very happy with our pictures of the male Mexican Sheartail, but apparently there are females in this area, so we're going to look for her. We caught a quick glimpse of a female that came to sip nectar from a cactus flower while we were observing a nest of the endemic Veracruz Wren. She is mostly green above and white below with a shorter forked tail. The wrens built their nest in a hollow formed by the structure of the cactus plant.